Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp call automatically declined in iPhone. If you're using WhatsApp and you're facing the issue that your WhatsApp call automatically declined in your iPhone, so let's see about some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. And go back from here, open your settings app, and here go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, and after that, go back from here, and now you have to go for App Store, and you have to go for search, and simply search for WhatsApp. And you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your WhatsApp app like that. If you find any pending updates, simply try to update your app. And after updating, you just have to go back, open your WhatsApp, and retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for your WhatsApp app here. You just have to tap on this offload app option. So after offloading, you'll find an option of reinstall. You just have to reinstall your app, and after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your WhatsApp app, it will be fixed in this tab. It will not delete any kind of your WhatsApp app data. You can really try this, and after that, your issue must be fixed. Or in some cases, if your issue is still not fixed, open the settings app and go for general again and go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your phone data. So you can really try this, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.